All right, today we're going to tackle the Chariot's headlights again. So I did this maybe a couple months ago anyways, right around when it started getting cold. So we're going to do it a little different this time. Instead of me just doing my normal thing, we're going to use Cerakote. This is an older package. I picked it up, I don't know, Park Store, Walmart, somewhere. You can still get this. I believe it's still under the Cerakote name if you go to a big box store. If not, it's probably under the Griot's Garage name, Griot's Garage, however you say it. I saw them make that packaging change at some point last year. So here we go. Okay, so let's get into it. So this comes with everything you need, including gloves. I'm trying to burn through these. So you get 8 clarifying wipes, 1 surface prep pad, 4 surface prep discs, 2 ceramic clear coating wipes, and 4 powder-free nitro gloves. If you're not a big reader, you like video, you scan this QR code, it takes you to a very helpful video, shows you exactly how to do their process. What do we have in here? Quick seal. We'll put that in the old pocket. All right, so the first thing you'll notice when you start pulling stuff out is that these are conveniently labeled. So 8 clarifying wipes, oxidation remover. You got to put professional strength on everything so you know you're buying a real good, true quality product. There's your gloves. So it looks like I dodged a bullet on this one. These are possibly the cheapest gloves in human existence, made out of nitrile. So that's cool. We're just going to stuff. Oh no. Oh, something leaked. Something has leaked. Uh-oh. Boom. What do we have here? Step 1. Yep, this is your instruction manual. Pretty sure that's it. Pretty simple. Is there a second page or is this just delaminated? It's delaminated. Okay, cool. Let's see here. We're going to wash them. Blah, blah, blah. We have this. We have our instruction manual, which I will be referencing. I'll stick that under there so it doesn't blow away. What else do we have? We have step 3. That's the clear coating. And step 2. No tools required. Good old manual labor. It's actually really convenient to use. Do red disc, gray disc. That's your jack it up disc. That's your finish it disc. I'm going to stash those back in here. Who cares if they get a little warm? This can go back to the pit from whence it came. We're going to stash step 3 back in the bag for now. Set that guy to the side. And we're going to get to work on these headlights. So for the sanding, you will need a bottle of water. It is wet sanding. You will also need, for multiple steps throughout this process, a bag of towels. So this is headlight restoration. I don't use the bougie towels for it. This is like a $20 roll of 75 towels, $20 roll of 75 towels at Wally World. And of course, my good old thinking platform. We're going to do this with relative comfort today. Not trying to break off my back, cleaning up those nightmares. So we're going to switch views, and you're going to watch me do a headlight restoration kit with a very inexpensive, headlight restoration with a very, so we're going to take care of those, we're going to switch views, and you're going to watch me take care of these headlights with a very inexpensive over-the-counter option. Now, I want to be clear, my headlights have been worked on multiple times. There's no more factory clear coat on them for me to have to really burn through to make them look good. This is going to be quick, fast, easy peasy. If your headlights look like this, but they've never ever once been worked on, you may want to get some tools or hire Golden Details to come out and do the initial restoration. This makes keeping those headlights looking good for years to come that much easier once the grunt work has been done. So a little update while I'm recording here. So this was the step 1 packet. The first time I used one of these, this is not what happened. It's deteriorated significantly. These apparently do have a shelf life, and that shelf life is definitely not infinite. Anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update. We're going to struggle through with the rest of this and see how the headlights turn out. All right, we're going to stop here for a second time. You see all this? Looks like a questionable thing. What it actually is the crystallized SiO2 ceramic from the step 3 part of that Cerakote kit. Again, these do not have an infinite shelf life, as I've found out. And there it is, a restored headlight lens using an expired Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. There is some companion video that's going to go with this, and you will see that as good as this looks, it's probably not going to last. But overall, very easy process. Great kit to use if you're doing it yourself. Relatively inexpensive. I think it's like 20, 30 bucks, somewhere in there. Depends on where you go, where you find it. For the professionals out there, you can buy just steps 1 and 3 if you'd like to incorporate that into your regular headlight restoration regimen. All right, bye.